Today we have December's beauty boxes. I know it's already the beginning of the new year, but I got one of the boxes kind of late. That is no fault to the company. It had to do with all the delays and all the confusion with the holiday shipping. I get 3 boxes. I get Allure Beauty Box, Eyescream Beauty Box, and Boxy Charm by Ipsy. I will have the prices of the subscriptions as well as the prices of the items on screen. There is only one box that I get that does not offer all full size, and that is the Allure one. So I will have the full price listed on the screen because that is what I am provided with. I won't have the sample size, but I will tell you if I'm showing you a sample or a full size. So we are going to get into it. This is the first box. This is the Allure Beauty Box for December. It always comes looking like this, and of course I'm hiding it so there's no spoilers. But if you've been looking at other unboxings, you probably already know. But we're gonna get into this one. There is some advertisement to get other people memberships, and then there is a little booklet that tells you a little bit about the items inside and the prices, and that's it. Okay, so the first thing we got here is from Tarte. This is, I can't say it, but it's basically a lip cream. I do have to say I've used these before. I actually really like these. I like them because of the hydration factor, and I love anything hydrating. It does retail for $26, so yes, it is on the pricier side, but I really do like the way these feel on the lips. They feel very smooth and very creamy. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. I think they've redone the packages since I last got one, but that is okay. Okay, so that is what it looks like, the container itself. And this one is in mauve. I think that's what I read, mauve. So that is a really good color for me. And that is what it looks like on. You can see it's very sheer, very shiny, and it definitely is creamy. So I do like these. Okay, the next thing we got here is another full-size product. This is Grown Alchemist. This retails for $50. This is full size. I think I already told you that. Their products, Grown Alchemist, yeah, they are on the pricier side, but everything that I've ever gotten from this brand is really good. This I just kind of smooshed, but it doesn't matter to me because their products, like I said, are very, very good. I'm not opening it yet because I don't need it yet, but I am definitely going to use this one up. We have another full-size product here. This is Pamu Renewing Hand Serum. This retails for $42. I'm not opening it yet because I'm using a bunch of different hand creams right now. I don't know anything about this brand. I don't know if it's good or not. It does have perfume in it, so if perfumes irritate you, this is probably not going to be a great thing. I typically don't mind too much. Too much perfume does irritate me, I'm not gonna lie, but I do like to smell good, so I tend to use it anyway. Okay, so this next thing is Sephora Collection Super Glow Serum with vitamin C and vitamin E. The full size retails for $21 at 30 milliliters. This is 8 milliliters. This stuff is usually good. I usually like this kind of thing for travels, but I think I'm going to stick this in my giveaway box. I should do one soon. I haven't done one. I need to because I've got a lot of stuff at this point. Okay, so the next thing we have is Innisfree Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 45. So that is a mouthful, but basically it's sunscreen. The full size retails for $22 at a 50 milliliter bottle. This is a sample size at 10 milliliter. I'm probably going to use this. It's good. It's just something small and easy to throw in your purse on the go when you need a little extra SPF. Okay, so the next thing we have is Maria Nella True Soft Argan Oil. The full size retails for $39.90 at 100 milliliter. This is a 30 milliliter bottle. I'm not mad about it. I use hair oils, keeps my hair shiny and healthy. The next thing we got here is Eyescream Beauty. This this one focuses on independent makeup brands, which love. This is what the inside comes looking like, always with a little description sheet with information about the products as well as the prices. There's a nice cute little thank you on the back as well. The first thing we got here is a palette. This is Happy Go Lucky by Inslee Rain Cosmetics. This retails for $26. Okay, so this is really cute. This has a mirror. I really like these colors. These are actually colors I would use. Okay, so these are the color swatch. This one, there is a color here. It just really blends into my skin tone. I like these colors because it's like, it's somewhat neutral, but somewhat not, with a little sparkly shine there. Okay, next we have this palette from Jelly Pong Pong. This is a blush palette. This is Wonder Gleam. I guess they were out of the one originally, and I ended up with this one. So this is highlighting and blush palette. So the original that came with this, I don't really know what it was, but it had a different palette. They ran out of, I got this one. I'm not mad about it. I don't know the price. I'll look up the price and I'll have it on the screen. But the original palette was $32. So I'm imagining that this palette is probably $32 as well. This is the palette. I actually really like this. Okay, so those are the colors. It says it's a highlighting blush palette. I don't know that, I mean, these two right here are more highlights for me. This would be almost it's supposed to be a highlight, but it kind of looks like a contour color on my skin. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to use that one. Okay, so the next thing we got here is under eye cream. I use a mess out of under eye cream. This is by Creme de la Q. I think that's right. This retails for $35. I don't know anything about this brand, never heard of it. I do like this packaging. You can see the name of the brand up here. That's just really cool looking. I kind of want to reuse it for something. I just don't know what I could possibly reuse it for, but this is really cool looking. Alright, the next thing we got here is Cherry on Top lipstick by Bodea Beauty. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this retails for $10. I don't know much about this brand either, but this packaging is super cool. Oh, look at that. Like, I just want to use it because the container is super awesome. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna find a reason to use this just because I like that container. It is a red. It's a very, very cherry red. Okay, so this is really bright on my skin. I feel like this might actually look better on a darker skin tone, but with a dark liner, I think this could work. I think this could be really pretty. Alright, the last thing in this is a makeup brush. It says eye brush set by Manage Beauty for $15. I don't know about set, but let's see. Let's see if I got a set, because it doesn't look like it, but maybe I did. Ah, yes I did. I did get a set. And they feel soft. Okay, so this is what the set looks like. They all feel soft. They feel like they'd be good to use, so I am going to use them because you can never have too many makeup brushes. Alright, this is my last box. This is Boxy Charm by Ipsy. I'm again hiding the stuff on the inside so you can't see it, but it comes like this. I do not have a pamphlet to tell you the prices, but I will have them on the screen when I edit this. It doesn't really have anything. It has this. I never read this. I don't know anyone who does. It has December trends and stuff like that, but it's in there. Okay, so the first thing I got here is Well People Expressionist Pro Mascara. Now I've had many of these in black, so I am not upset about getting another one of these in a brown. This looks like a dark brown, medium to dark brown. I'm not ready to use it, but because I have a brown mascara already open, so I'm gonna put this aside for later. But I do like their mascara. Okay, so the next thing we got is Allure Beauty Moon Prism Liquid Blush. I do like some liquid blushes, especially in the winter time, because the winter my skin tends to be drier, and it kind of makes it not look as dry. It looks more dewy, and I like that. Okay, so this is color Rose Retina, and that is our packaging. I think that's really nice. Look. Okay, this is a nice big edge, so I feel promising about it. Let's go ahead and see. This is a nice creamy feel. Let's rub it in. Rubs in beautifully. I think this is really nice. This isn't too pink. This is more of a natural shade, so like blending it in I think would look really nice. Okay, so the next thing we have is Gold Fatten MD Plant Profusion Energetic Eye Cream. That is a mouthful. I do like my eye creams. I use them as much as possible. It actually saves me a bunch of money to get them in my beauty boxes, because then I don't have to go buy them. I mean, technically you are still buying them if you buy a beauty box, but you know what I'm saying. It's less costly. This is what the container looks like. Okay, so the next thing we got is a Mika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. This is for your hair. I have used their hair mask before. I absolutely love their hair masks. They are one of my favorite. They are a little more on the pricey side, but well worth it. I'm telling you, it just feels really good. Last item in this is Rhodile VITC. That's what they said. It's a papaya enzyme scrub with hyaluronic acid, exfoliating fruit enzymes, and yoba beads. So, and this is for your face. I do really like my face scrubs. If you're prone to breakouts or your skin gets dry, either or, scrubs are really good because it helps get all that stuff out of your pores. It's also really good to like just get the extra stuff out. Like you get the makeup, you wear the makeup and stuff, so it's good to use the scrub to get rid of the dead skin, the makeup, all that stuff, and keep your skin like looking really fresh. So I do love me some scrubs. I'm interested to see how this one does. That is all I got from my beauty boxes. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm always interested in to know what you think, so let me know your thoughts below. Otherwise, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.